Hello student, Standard 6th English Medium, Subject Maths, Exercise 4.1, Question number 5. Students, here we have to draw a rough figure and labels suitable in each of the following cases. First, point P lies on line segment AB. So here we have to draw line segment AB, but point P lies on it. So you can take anywhere of the line segment AB. So here it is line segment AB and point P on it. Now afterward, second number, line segment XY and PQ both are intersect at a point M. So here we have to draw both the lines intersecting at a single point M. So here it is XY line and M PQ, and both are intersect at point M. Now afterward, C, line L contain E and F but not D. So here it is line L and both the points E and F on it, but D is the exterior point of the line L. And then after, next question number is OP and OQ meet at point O. So here it is both the common points is O. So here let me take OP ray and OQ ray, and their intersection point is O. Now afterward, question number 6, and in this question look at the following figures and say whether the following statements are true or false. So here it is given line and it's related. Question number 1, Q, M, O and P are points on the same line MN. So here that line it's said to be MN, and these all lines are on the points line to the MN. So it is true. Second number, B, MON are points on a line segment MN. So yes, these all points lies on line segment MN. So the B is also right. C, M and N are endpoints of the line segment MN. M and N are all the points on the MN. So it is also right, because both are on the same line. After that, O and N are the endpoints of line segment OP. Line segment OP, it is here OP, and here it is given that ON. So can we see that O and N are the endpoints of this? No. Point N lies between the line segment OP. It's between the points line segment OP. So it is false. So afterward, E, M is one of the endpoints of the line segment OQ. So it is also false. because M is not the endpoints of OQ, but the line segment OQ endpoints is O and Q. Afterward, M is a point on the ray OP. Here it is OP ray and it's starting from O. So it cannot be said that M is the point of OP ray. So it is false. On the OP ray only point is O, N and P. But its point M is the exterior point of the OP ray. So it is false. Afterward, G ray OP is different from the ray OP. OP line segment is the different from the ray OP. So it's true. Afterward, H ray OP same as ray OM. So it is false. OP and OM both are on the same line.
Ray OM is not opposite to ray OP, so it is false. And J, N is the initial point of NP ray and MN ray, so it is